Now, function of the glial and ependymal cells. They provide mechanical support to neurons. Because of their non-conducting nature, the glial cells act as insulators between the neurons and private neuronal impulses from spreading in unwanted direction. They can remove the uh, foreign materials and cells debrided by the phagocytosis. They can repair the damaged areas of nervous tissue by proliferation. They form glial scar tissue and fill the gaps left by uh, degenerated neurons. Glial cells can take up and store neurotransmitters released by the neighboring synapses. These can either be metabolized or released again from the glial cell. They help in neural function by the maintaining a suitable metabolic and ionic environment for the neurons. Oligodendrocytes myelinated trach. Uh, ependymal cells are concerned with the exchange of the materials between brain and CSF, blood-brain barrier. Certain dyes the injected intravenously fail to stain the parenchyma of brain and spinal cord. Although they pass easily into the non-nervous tissue. However, the some days when injected into the various enter the brain substance easily. This indicates that a barrier exists at the capillary level between the blood and nerve cells. The possible structures consistently the blood brain barrier is follows: capillary endothelial without fenestration and basement membrane of the endothelium. Third one is the end field of astrocytes covering the capillaries walls, and the barriers permit the circulatory passage to the blood contents to the nervous tissue, and thus the toxic and harmful substances are ordinarily prevented from reaching from the brain.